Good morning, children. Today we will study about the different arts. I will continue with the different arts, and today we will do about the paintings of India. Now, among all the 64 arts, painting is considered as the foremost one. It is the oldest one. Now, this art is considered as an art which can be expressed through lines and colors. In this picture you can see the different colors being used and the different lines, the geometrical designs are being used. So this type of paintings are being used from the ancient times. Now children, do you know the difference between the drawing and painting? Now in drawing, single layer is the entire image. That is, you take a pen or a pencil and you draw it with a pen or a pencil. Nothing else is being used. Okay. But in painting, one layer is painted over another to get the final image. Most of the time, the image will not be clear until it gets to the final stage. The aim of this art is to express the emotions by imitating the animate and the inanimate objects of nature through lines and colors. Now you will ask me, what is animate and inanimate? Animate are the living creatures and the inanimate are the non-living creatures. Means in the ancient time, the people used to paint seeing the animate objects, the living creatures or the non-living creatures. Here you can see the living creatures are being copied or being drawn. Okay. Here also again a living creature, we can see an elephant is being drawn or being painted. Okay. Now when we talk about India's painting, we know India is such a vast region which was influenced from other cultures. Indian artists developed their art and general culture traditions according to historical moments and religious situations that unfolded differently in each region. At different periods in the long history of ancient painting in India, we see that the result of this amalgamation of culture, religions, politics and social caste, as well as the performance of economic development in each region. Okay, you can see over here a full painting. We can see the scene of a war is being depicted in this painting. Okay, here we can see the woman, the gathering of a woman is being depicted in this form of painting. Now we have evidence of this Indian art of painting from the remains of 5000 years of old Harappan culture. Cave paintings have been found at Bhimbetka, that is a place close to Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, in nearly 1000 caves that emerges the ancient paints in India. You can see over here the paintings have been found from Bhimbetka caves, the Ajanta Ellora caves, the Bhag caves, Jogimara caves, then Ravachaya shelter. Okay, we can see the paintings or the pictures of animals and birds, or we can see the paintings of the primitive man of the Stone Age in Bhimbetka caves. Here you can see the primitive man along with the figures of the horses being seen over here. On these caves or the stones, we can see the figures of the elephant as well as a man is being sitting on the elephant. Even the geometrical designs and sketches, the elephants, rhinoceros, deers can be seen. Okay, Ajanta Ellora are incomparable specimen of such paintings. These paintings also represent the dancing scenes, okay, the scenes of the births and burials, religious rites, hunting activities, the festival celebrations, even Rangoli designs in the old tradition. Okay, it is also a form of painting that we see nowadays during the Diwali time. In ancient times, people used to paint with the natural dyes and colors made up of soil, mud, leaves and charcoal. Okay, so this is all about the paintings. Okay, you go through the paragraph in the book, write a note on that and you have to learn this note. Either it comes in 2 marks or 3 marks. Again, I will move to the next topic in the next video. Thank you, children.